what has to be broken before you can use it?
Egg.
Correct answer, egg.
Wow. It has to
Ma'am,
be
and the
broken
second
before
one,
it. Yes,
and the
yes, go
second
ahead.
one, what is always in front of you but can't be seen?
Always in front
Air.
of you, but some
Air.
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 But air is all around
No,
you. No?
no,
Shadow.
Shadow.
Always in front of you.
Shadow.
But shadow can be seen.
Yeah.
Air. Air.
Soul. No.
no.
Soul is inside. Soul cannot be out. Oh god, okay. Um, what's always in front of you but cannot be seen?
Eyes.
No.
But that's an intelligent answer, yeah, woman. I mean, eyes are like, okay. Pass, pass,
Pass.
pass. Anas. Yes.
The future. Future.
Wow. All right. Anybody else? You have one more, Anas?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. The last one.
Which one? I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaf. What am I?
Bank.
Correct.
What's a bank?
Bank, where you keep all your money.
Bank.
Bank has,
acha.
yeah, bank has branches.
I heard bank.
Not bank, bank, bank.
Uh,
All right. Okay, dokie. Hello and welcome everybody. Monday morning, a lovely morning. I'm so happy I get Monday's first lecture with my rights. I was happy about it. All right. So, if you guys remember in the previous class, you had an assignment in your workbook, page number 14. Yes, facts and opinion. If you could just grab it, your textbook and your workbook. Go ahead. We'll discuss and then we'll move
Ma'am,
ahead.
we have to do that homework. Olympics one.
No. I wrote a comment.
Olympics
Kindly
homework we
ignore
have to
that
do that.
homework until the next. No. You have to ignore that homework until the next SDG class. Okay, so we'll have an activity in the SDG class. Related to that activity, we have our assignment. That assignment we'll do later. Don't worry. Go ahead. English textbook and workbook. Go ahead and grab it. Get a pencil also. In this class, y'all will be divided into pairs. Y'all will be divided into pairs, and I'll send you all in the breakout room. Okay, because this is a group activity. Hey, Abdullah, I don't have an option of breakout room. Why is that?
Let me see.
Yeah. Should I make you the host again?
Just yes, ma'am. Make me the host. Then I will.
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, what do we have to bring?
Um, you have to get
Ma'am,
your
the pink book
English.
and yellow book.
Yes, both.
That's not the pink book. That's a pinky book.
Pinky book.
Ma'am, even the yellow book.
Yes, even the yellow one. All right, page number 14 of your pinky book, as you name it.
Ma'am, page number?
14, 1-4. You had an homework. You had to solve that page for facts and opinions. Okay, go ahead. Open to page number 14, everybody, of your pinky
Fact
book.
and fiction.
Yes, facts and opinions.
Facts and fiction.
Facts and fiction?
Facts and fiction.
And fiction.
Okay, yeah.
No, ma'am.
That way.
This is facts and opinion.
Yeah,
No,
it's
it's
facts
Read
and
facts.
the
opinion if I
sentence
remember.
and decide
Say
if
on
they are
title it is
fact or
written facts
opinion.
and fiction, and in the exercise it's
Oh my god, okay. The theme is facts and fiction,
yeah.
but the topic should be
And the topic is exploring non-fiction.
Yeah. Factual fiction is the title. Yes, correct. Page number 14. Okay,
Ma'am,
go
I
ahead.
will tell the second exercise.
Second exercise. Okay, Anas. First one. Who's going to do the first one for us?
Please, please.
Any volunteers? Go ahead,
Ma'am,
Ibrahim.
we need some time. So can I?
Go ahead, go ahead. By the time, Abdullah, we are just
Ma'am, can I
discussing the
say?
Fact
homework.
and fiction. I said, please. Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, let me check how many exercises are there. Exercise 1, 2,
3 and 4.
3, and 4.
Hmm.
Aisha, how about you go with exercise 3
Ma'am,
or
me?
4? Yeah, Aisha Aga. Any one exercise of your choice out of 3 and 4. Which one would you like to go ahead with? So first one is taken by Ibrahim. Second, Anas is doing. You have option between 3 and 4. Aisha Aga, which one would you want to do? Yes,
Ma'am,
Mohammed
the
Saqib.
third one. Ma'am, the third one.
Okay, Mohammed Saqib, you would want to do the fourth one?
Yes.
Perfect, perfect. We have students going ahead with discussing their homework. Ibrahim, take the lead. Start.
Fact and fiction. First, read the sentences and decide if they are a fact or an opinion. Write fact or opinion next to the each sentence. A. Summer is the best season. Opinion. B. Paris is the capital city of France. Fact. The Samutran tiger is an endangered species. Fact. D. Ice cream is so delicious. Opinion.
Perfect. Okay,
Second,
do you have all the answers as discussed by Ibrahim? If it is any different, kindly make the corrections. Yes? Is there anybody?
No.
No? Give me a thumbs up. We move on to the next. Okay, perfect.
exercise
Exercise
number
2,
2.
Anas. Go ahead.
Exercise number 2. Finish this sentence and write fact or opinion next to them. Everyone should go. Everyone, everyone should go and see Paris. Opinion.
Okay.
Jigglypuff always sings beautifully. Opinion.
Ma'am, we
Wow.
have to.
So,
We have
so what? I'll tell you what you have to do in this exercise. There are incomplete sentences. Okay, you have to complete the sentences by your own, like your own choice. You can use any words or anything you want, and then after you have had completed your sentence, you have to state whether your completed sentence is a fact or it's an opinion. Got it? Yes. So right now Anas is doing the same thing. He said everyone should go and see what. Anas, what did you fill in the blank?
Palace.
Palace. Okay, so it's an opinion, like it's not necessary. Some might want to go and see the museum, right? Second, he said Jigglypuff always sings beautifully. Okay, so you could have a different opinion. You could say the nightingale sings beautifully, or
Upstairs. Upstairs.
yes, so sing beautifully. All right, or the beaches sing beautifully. That is your fact and it's an opinion. All right, go ahead, Anas. The C one.
See cat. Fact.
Fact. Very good. A lion is a large wild cat. Perfect. It's a fact. Very good.
The ticket.
Ma'am, I wrote
the-
the Siberian tiger.
Perfect. Perfect. Yes.
D. The tickets cost $1,000. Fact.
It's a fact. Okay. So there are amusement parks around the world. There are plane tickets around. They cost $1,000. Okay. So it's a fact. It's a fact. You cannot have an opinion. All right, Aisha Aga. Anybody else has any difficulties solving the third exercise? Let me know.
Ma'am, third is write in the spaces below. Two facts. Two facts is India is a country and
Perfect. That's one fact.
it is meant to erase.
1 minute, Aisha, 1 minute. Did Muhammad Mahmoodi, you said ma'am. Go ahead. I can't hear you, Muhammad. I don't know. Doraemon is what?
Cartoon.
Japanese, yes. Okay.
Ma'am, two opinions is Iceland is the best country you have been to,
Perfect.
and strawberries taste very tasty.
Excellent, excellent. There
Strawberries are
she
very
is. Strawberries are very tasty. There she is with her 2 facts and 2 opinions. Okay. Anybody else you think you've written a little unique or you need it to be
I have
acknowledged
written
in
a
the
very
class?
unique. Can
Okay,
I?
Mohammad Mohammadi. Mohammad Mohammadi. Mohammed, I can't hear you for some reason. I don't know why.
Ma'am, now can you hear me?
No, Mohammad Mohammadi.
Excuse
Okay.
me, sorry, Alfia ma'am.
Yes, Shabana ma'am.
You need the breakout room option. So I've been trying that.
Second fact, Doraemon is a Japanese cartoon. Opinion, Clash Royale is the best game. And another opinion, everyone likes to bath.
Okay, everyone likes bathing. That definitely is an opinion, okay? It can never be a fact. All right. Okay.
Hot in winter, ma'am. Only with hot water.
Yeah, that depends, okay? Right. That's the reason it's an opinion.
Ma'am?
It's an opinion. Yeah.
I had doubt in the second one. You have to.
Exercise 2. Yeah. So
Try like that, no.
that's exercise 1, and it's correct. Okay. Exercise.
Write the answer and then
Yes. Perfect. You've done right. Okay, Mohammed Saqib, over to you.
Write sentences explaining facts and opinions. A fact is a sentence which can be proven true or false.
Correct.
An opinion is an expression of a person's feeling.
Perfect. Excellent. Very well written, Mohammed Saqib. Very good. Anybody
Ma'am, can I
who's
say it
written-
will be easy for understanding?
who's written closer to this? It's correct. Okay, your answers close to Mohammed Saqib's is correct. If
Ma'am,
it
I
means
can
the
say
same,
in
then
an
it's
easier
right.
format.
Okay, now we'll move ahead to the next. So in this session, original plan was to divide you all into pairs and send you in the breakout rooms. But nonetheless, we can still manage it over here in the main room. Okay, so what am I going to do is I'll still divide you into pairs. Okay. Okay. How many of y'all have a non-fiction book at your house? Like it can be with animals, it can be with like something about animals or any facts.
Ma'am means not real book, no? Or
A non-fiction
A
book,
real one
real
fact, which is real
I
fact.
have none.
True, it is very true.
I have.
Ma'am,
You have
I have invention. School invention.
Get it.
You also,
Get
ma'am.
it. You three, yeah. Juvelia, just see if you have one. Or you can just grab the book that you got it in the previous class. Yeah, go ahead, get it. Perfect. Oh, Muhammad Mamadi. Very nice. Such a fat book moment. Okay, let me see. Umar, what have you got? Umar, stop it, yeah.
No, ma'am, I do not.
Okay, all right.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, that's a
Mother
fiction.
Teresa.
Umar has a fiction book.
Umar has a fiction book.
It's
Umar.
an animation non-fiction.
Ma'am, this means it is a non-fiction, no?
Yes,
Ma'am,
it's an autobiography of. It's about Think and Grow Rich. Yes.
Ma'am.
Horrible history of the world. Wow, history in itself is horrible. Okay, so don't.
It's upon invention.
The Great Brain Book. Yes, perfect. Mama Saqib. Very good. Plato Salam.
Ma'am,
Okay.
this book is non-fiction.
It's a non-fiction. Yeah, that's right. Okay.
I don't have another.
That's fine. That's the reason I asked only few students to get it. Okay. So here's the plan. We are going to pair you up with kids who have non-fiction book. All right. And I will explain few things. You guys have to go and explore in that non-fiction book whether those things match. Okay. I have certain features of a non-fiction book with me. I'm going to share my screen with you. Abdullah, just make me the host, please, or co-host so that I can share screen, or allow me to share screen. Okay, I'm the host. All right. So I'm going to share my screen with you. We are going to see the features of non-fiction book, right? And you will explore it in your own non-fiction book, whether you have those things matching with you. Okay, and then we have an activity on that. Before I move ahead, just give me a minute. All right. Okay, yeah. Just a minute. All right. You guys see my screen? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is a picture taken from a non-fiction book, all right? And it has certain information. Obviously, non-fiction books give us facts and figures and information about things, right? So there are certain words.
Ma'am, I have both books, so what should I give you, ma'am?
Just get one. Get non-fiction, one non-fiction, just get one. All right. So now you see, you look at this picture, children, the type of print. All right. If the word is very important and the book wants you to know its meaning, or it wants you to show that it is important, like, look at me, I am important. That's what it has been, like, tagged as or titled as. So these words can either be written in plain bold, okay, they can be bold from other texts, as you can see, or they will be highlighted and bold, okay, just to grasp your attention that these are the important words in the information or the context or the concept that you are reading about. Is it clear so far? Yes. All right. The next feature, so you have to keep these features in mind, all right? Then you will go in your non-fiction book and you will tell me whether it has these features or not. It can or it might not. Then we have the index, okay? We guys already discussed about index, content, and glossary, all right?
Your voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking? Too bad. My internet.
No.
Is
No,
oh.
it's coming nicely.
No, it's
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So for few, maybe for few it might be, there must be some internet problem. Okay. Then we have the index, all right? The words that has been repeated, I mean, put in the, we all know what it is. Table of contents, what topic is on which page, basically. Then you see, children, there will be a lot of diagrams and tables
What
and
do you do with
information.
this?
Yes? Anas, what did you
What
say?
do we have to do with this?
You have to listen to this first and then later on try to find this in your non-fiction book. Okay? Clear? I wanted to do it with a like pair, but
Ma'am, like this?
yes, Umar, correct.
Ma'am, this ma'am, how my body works?
Yeah, that's a non-fiction book. All right. So, ow. All right. Till now, what I said was we. Just give me a minute. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
hear me and see me clearly, children?
Yes.
Just let me know
Yes.
because
Yes.
I am connected to a new Wi-Fi connection, so I think there might be a problem. I'm trying to resolve it. I don't know. You can hear me, everybody? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So again, I'll share my screen. So far, what we have done is we've seen the features of a non-fiction book. All right. We've seen 3 features so far. In the previous classes, we learned about what content is. It has a topic, and the page number given shows you on what page is the related concept or the topic on. All right. Then we have the index. Okay. Index has these words with the page number at the back of your book. Then we saw glossary. Glossary has the meaning of the words that is given. All right. Over here that we saw now the words that are given in glossary can be of this type. It can be bold. All right. Or it can be highlighted from the rest of the words. Next we have index table content. Okay. Then I came to the diagrams and the pictures. Okay, so in order to illustrate or make you understand the information a little better, your non-fiction book might have diagrams. It might have pictures of animals in its natural habitat. There might be pictures with a caption. Okay, a picture with something written below. All right, so that we call it as pictures with caption. All right, and you guys know Instagram? How many of y'all know Instagram? Yeah.
Me.
Yes,
Me.
Instagram is a social networking site where you post a picture and you write a caption down, right? So
Ma'am, add to their story. Add to the story.
yes,
Ma'am, I know, but I don't have it.
Ma'am, I
that's
also
fine.
know the pattern, but I also
Yes, knowing is good. Knowing is
get
good.
it after
Okay,
my 10.
okay,
Like this.
that's good. Show me, Omar. Yes, those are diagrams. Those are charts to make you understand the information a little better.
My
Yeah,
book also have some diagrams
perfect.
and
Yes.
the
Okay.
fact.
So yeah, there are certain pictures with something written down below. Okay, so that we call it as caption. Do you guys have caption? Show me. Yes. Yeah. That is what we call it as caption. Okay, so there is a picture and it is labeled. The picture is labeled, or something is talking more about that picture. Okay,
I don't have
that we
any
call it as
captions.
caption. That's fine.
And I don't have
Okay,
any
so the
pictures.
features that we are discussing now, let me make it clear. The features of a non-fiction book that we are discussing right now, some few non-fiction books may have it and few may not. Okay, it doesn't mean that if your book doesn't have it's not a non-fiction book. No, it will still be a non-fiction book. Okay, there are various types of non-fiction. Here we are only talking about the ones that have facts and information. Okay, then you have your glossary. Okay, we all know what glossary is. It has the word and then it has the meaning with it. Yes. Good work, Umar. Okay. Oh, stop. All right. Look at this page. Okay. So the information will be divided into, either the information can be given to you in a tabular form, a table can be made and they might write the information in that. Okay, to divide it. Either they can give it to you in a bulletin form. Okay, like dots, and then the information is written. You remember how this shark information was written, the previous shark text that we did? Yeah, just flip the page over. Which page you will flip it to? You've not opened your book. 1 minute.
Yeah, ma'am, bulletin points were written.
Yes, it is in bulletin points. Okay, so that information is basically given for segregation and for you to understand, but it is easy to read. All right, similarly over here.
Ma'am, see like this.
Show me. Show. Yes, yeah. Those are bulletin points. Very good. Yes, that's how the bulletin points are given in a non-fiction book. Yes, I know that, Aisha. Okay, show me. Umar?
Like this.
Yeah. Hamza, first of all, please, the virtual background doesn't, It doesn't allow me to view the page. Okay, you remove your virtual background, get back. Yes, Muhammad Muhammadi, that's right. Perfect, perfect. See the picture that I'm showing you right now and the picture that Muhammad is showing on his screen right now. Same. All right. I mean, yeah, correct. Yes,
I even have more pictures.
that's
All the
right.
pictures are like this, which has images.
Then your non-fiction book will also have the topic, okay, and it will have a subtopic with it. Okay, subtopics basically tell you what exactly is the following paragraph about. All right, are you with me, children? Do you get it, or everything is just going?
We get it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Black gold. All right. So now the subtopic is black gold, and some paragraph is written about it. Okay. Now black gold doesn't mean kala sona. It means coal. Okay. Oil or coal, we call it as black gold. Oil is nicknamed as black gold. Okay. So then how crude oil turns into oil products. So all the procedures, the steps are given. Again, it could have been given in bulletin format or 1, 2, 3. It is numbered that way.
Ma'am, is it like this?
Yes, yes, the calendar. Yeah, I'm talking about that. Okay. Now you see, stopping the spill. It's a subheading, and then the following paragraph will tell you it is basically talking about how to stop an oil spill. Furthermore, to illustrate it and better understanding, they have given in a diagrammatic format, and they have put captions to the diagram showing the method 1, 2, 3. How do you stop it? Okay, so these were the features of a non-fiction book that we just explored. Okay, the information can be presented in a tabular format. It can be in a bulletin point. It can be a subtopic. The pictures will have caption below it. So these are the 4 things that we focused on. The rest, other 3 we knew: index, content, and glossary. Right? All right. Now what I want you to do is, if you open your textbook, yeah.
I changed my book because I didn't have index or contents page.
No problem. As long as it's a non-fiction book, I have no problem. Now, with this non-fiction book that you have right now, open your textbook page number 26.
Ma'am, which one, yellow or pink?
Yellow.
Page number.
Page number 26. Yes, that's the page, Muhammad Saqib. Perfect.
Ma'am,
Now,
this layout of information.
Layout of information. Okay. Now, what you all have to do is, first and foremost, you see the helpful hints. Yeah. The table of helpful hints with a star in yellow.
And
On the
26,
right
ma'am.
hand side,
Yes, ma'am.
page number 26. Okay, do you guys see this part in your text? Okay,
Yes.
go ahead
Yes,
and
ma'am.
read it silently. I give you a minute to silently read that.
The second boy is looking like Abdullah Shah.
Right. Rushda, you can read it. You have the right, the Hodder book.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then reading.
All right, page number 26. Helpful hints. Done? If you're done, give me a thumbs up. All right. Juveria, you have a non-fiction book with you, right? Okay. Rushda and Juveria pair up. I mean, the next activity that we are going to do, you guys need to follow up with each other. Okay. Who doesn't have a non-fiction book? All
Now,
right.
what you said?
Who doesn't have a non-fiction book right now? Okay. Hamza, how about you pair up with Abdullah? You've got one? Okay. Muhammad Saqib. Hamza pair up with Muhammad Saqib. Okay. Ibrahim pair up with Muhammad. Umar, you pair up with Yahya.
Ma'am, Mohammed Saqib.
Hamdan.
Ma'am, Mohammed Saqib. No?
Muhammad Saqib will pair up with Hamza. Ibrahim with Muhammad Mohammadi. Yahya
ma'am.
with Umar. Hamdan, your non-fiction book? Perfect. You pair up with Anas. Yeah?
I also have non-fiction.
Okay. You have?
Yes.
Ma'am, but what do we have to do, ma'am?
Okay. Aisha,
But I don't have
both the
index in
Aisha, hold up your
glossary.
non-fiction book. I don't have what? Wow. Humera just entered the class. Now she'll tell me, ma'am, what we have to do. All right. Okay. Fine. Now you see the second exercise on the same page, page number 26 of your
Ma'am,
textbook.
who should I pair with, ma'am?
Arey, Abdullah, I paired you now.
Me
Ma'am,
too.
who should I pair with?
Who did I pair you with? Abdullah? Nobody?
No, ma'am, you didn't.
Ma'am, you didn't pair
Me
me.
too, ma'am.
Aisha, show me your non-fiction book. Aisha Kazi, you also show me your non-fiction book. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't have.
Okay, she doesn't have.
Ma'am,
Anas, you have, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me.
ma'am, you paired Anas with Hamdan. No, not with Hamdan. You paired him with somebody else.
Anas is paired with Hamdan. Yahya is paired with Umar. Ibrahim is
Hamdan
paired with
is-
Muhammad, Juwairiya and Rusda. Hamza is paired with Muhammad Saqib.
So who remains? You and? Okay, Aisha Kazi and Abdullah Patel both don't have a book. Join any group of your choice. Go ahead. Hey, Abdullah, you have a book. Okay, you and Aisha Kazi.
Ma'am, I am with
You are with Hamdan.
Hamdan.
Okay.
And
Yes.
I'm with Mohammed Saqib.
Yahya is with Umar.
Ma'am, I'm with.
Hamdan is with Anas. Okay. Muhammad Saqib is with who? Hamza. And Anas is with?
What we have to do when with pairing up?
You have to dance.
Huh?
No. On page
Ma'am, who am
number
I
26, Muhammad is already dancing.
What?
Relax.
Voice is
Anas,
cracking,
relax.
ma'am.
Oh no.
No, ma'am, it is not cracking. Your background noise is a bit coming. Like
These kids are talking
Muhammad
behind.
Ali, the next you. Boom.
Muhammad Ali narrating stories. Yes, got it right. Muhammad Ali is narrating stories. Okay, page number 26, exercise 2.
Ma'am, who am I with?
Aisha, it's okay. It's okay. You are with me. And I don't have a book. So you have the book. All right. Page number 26, exercise 2. You see there is a table. Now the
Ma'am, I
table has
don't have a
certain
book, ma'am. I
categories.
don't have a book. Can I
Be
join?
Ma'am,
quiet,
there is
be
no
quiet.
exercise too.
Can I join any team, ma'am? I don't have a book.
Aisha, Juwairiya and Rushda pair up. Aisha Kazi, Juwairiya and Rushda. Yeah? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
मैं अकेला छूट गया.
Now you join any team.
Aisha and Abdullah are left.
Yahya and Umar.
Okay, yeah, Numar Abdullah is in your team. All right. Now, okay. Now what you have to do is exercise 2 on page number 26 has certain categories given in the table. All right. It has title of the book. It has table. It has bulletin points. Okay. So these are the categories given. Now you have to see in your non-fiction book whether these features are present. If they are present, put a tick under that feature, and if it is not present, put a cross. Okay, simple. Now students who do not have the book, here is where the pairing comes in. No, there's no option of breakout room right now. So the students who do not have the book, here is where the pairing comes in. All right, you all will look at the first feature, okay, and then students who have the book will show it on the screen for the other teammates to see. Okay, now the title of the book is given over here. Okay, so suppose this is the title, so it is there on the screen. Perfect. Then everybody in that group goes ahead and
Ma'am,
puts a
in
tick
which
mark
book?
under
The
the feature.
textbook or this book?
The table is given in the textbook,
Textbook page.
but the features you have to explore it from your non-fiction book that you have.
Ma'am, page number 26 or 27.
Ma'am, we have to.
Six.
Ma'am, we have
Ma'am,
to.
after
Oh, we have
title
to
of
write
the
the
book,
name.
there's a table.
Ma'am, 26 or
So
27.
does your book have a table?
Ma'am, 26 or 27.
26.
Okay. Thank you
Exercise 2.
for your kind information.
Ma'am, we have
Did
to
you
tick or we have
understand?
to write them.
Yes, ma'am, I understand,
You have
but
to
I
put a
don't
tick.
know that my partner has a non-fiction book or not.
Ma'am, there's only one exercise in page 26.
Yes, exercise 2, right? Or exercise 1. Yeah, no, I am not making the breakout room. Sorry. Exercise 1. No wonder Ibrahim was getting confused. My bad. Okay, page number 26, exercise 1.
Ma'am. Page number 26 or 27.
26, exercise 1.
The table, not title of book.
Yes. So there is a table given. All right. It
Who
has
has a non-fiction book? My partner. Me.
yes, your partner. How am I supposed to know?
You are the
Inside.
teacher, no.
Mohammadi has a non-fiction book, Ibrahim. Okay, Hamza bro, if you don't turn on your video, how will we know? How will you help Mohammed Saqib? Yeah. Come on, remove your non-fiction
Ma'am,
book.
I have
Arey,
two
Mohammed
non-fiction.
Saqib has a non-fiction book. Go ahead, do it on your own then. No pairing up. Those who have a non-fiction book, go ahead and do it on
Ma'am,
your
can
own.
you see the
Those
title?
who do not have, be with your pairs. Yes, that's the title.
Umar, do you have?
Abdullah, just keep quiet now. You have a non-fiction. Do it on your own. What
done.
is this? Your book is kept next to you. You're asking Umar, do you have?
Ma'am, we have to show.
Behavior. Who's your
Ma'am, what
partner?
do you mean by table, ma'am?
Hamdan.
You.
Table,
Ma'am,
bro.
you have to write the number of tables, title of book.
1 minute.
Photos. I did not understand the exercise.
Ma'am,
Kazi, log out and log in again.
Ma'am, we will do this exercise tomorrow.
This, you see my screen now, children? You see my screen? This is the exercise I'm talking about, okay? We are doing this exercise right now.
No, ma'am.
Just so you know, no matlab kya.
What
We are
is a
doing it.
table, ma'am? There is written table.
Where we eat khana, na, that's correct.
That is called a dining table.
When you're turning like Mia, the house sir will beat you. Don't do that.
Abu also does like this only. That's also does like this only.
Wow. Then we are of the same kind then. All right. Title of the book. Everybody. Have you put a tick mark over there? Your book has a title. Put a tick. Yes. That's what you're supposed to do.
Ma'am, I cannot
What's
see.
the
Yeah,
meaning of
Rizwani.
table? Ma'am, what's the meaning of table?
Table means the table that is given. Okay, in your non-fiction book, if it has a table, somebody's non-fiction book, do you have a table? Just check.
Hey, you show
Not the
your
table of content. Not the table of content.
Ma'am, last page or first page?
No. In the middle, there will be a table. No, that's not a table.
I don't have table. Okay.
Search. Flip the pages over. You'll see. If you see a table, okay.
Ma'am,
The
tell Mohammed the book I cannot see.
Mohammed, show him the book.
Ma'am, I don't
Hamdan?
have a table.
Listen to Anas. Why you're not listening? Hamdan, show your book.
Ma'am, my book was of invention. It doesn't have table.
Okay, then put a cross. All right. So Anas, you have the title. Okay, How My Body Works is the title of your non-fiction book. Anas, put a tick mark. Yes, Abdullah, show me.
Ma'am, my headphones. Ma'am, my mic is not working. I don't know why. I can't speak with the headphones on, so I removed it now.
Remove it. Now we can hear you very clearly. Perfect.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Mohammadi, show him the table. If your book has a table. No, it doesn't have a table. Okay. If your book has a table, put a tick. If it doesn't, then put a cross.
I don't have a table.
Put a cross.
Now, what is bullet point?
Problem solved. Okay, so majority of our books don't have a table. Right? So we are putting a cross. Now, bullet points are dots. Okay, dot is there, and then you have the line written. Then again, there will be a dot and line written. Okay, those are bullet points. Yeah, your book has bullet points. Yes.
Ma'am, is this a fact box?
Ma'am, this is bullet points.
Can you see?
1 minute.
Ma'am, this
yes.
is bullet points.
Anas, those are bullet points. Anas, yes, those are bullet points. Jumeria, those are bullet points.
Can you see?
So, Aisha, you're shaking it too much. I can't see. No, Aisha, those are not.
See.
Those aren't bullet
Show me
points.
if you have what you have done. I cannot see your book.
Mohammadi, show Ibrahim whether your book has bullet points. No. Those are not bullet points.
Then, what is bullet points?
Aisha, go to one. Alright, Aisha, you see this on the screen?
Yes.
Oh. The sharp information is given in bullet points. Okay, there is a dot and the sentence. Yes, like that. Yeah, that's it.
Ma'am, it is on the contents page.
Ma'am, what is the subheading? Ma'am, what is the subheading?
Ma'am, this is
नीचे वाला heading is
subheadings.
Okay, depending upon the bullet points, you have to put a tick or cross. Okay, pictures and photos.
Domina.
If yes, put a tick. If not, okay. Captions. You guys know what are captions? A image is given and something is written down there. Okay, that is captions. If your book has that,
I
put a
remember
tick.
why
If
you're
it
going so
doesn't,
fast. I didn't even write bullet points.
Ma'am, he did like this and then he...
Right, Aisha, you just have to put a tick or cross.
Okay, so you have bullet.
Ma'am, what is the subheading?
Captions.
Points. I have captions. I have photos.
Okay. You have subheadings.
Yes, I have subheading.
Abdullah, what is it?
You have kept it so down. I cannot.
What
see.
is subheading?
I cannot see it.
Okay.
And
why do you have to see it so much?
Now, what is captions?
This Buddina just wants to do panchayat.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
done.
Wow. My only golden bacha, Muhammad Saqib.
Ma'am, tell now.
Abdullah,
What is subheading?
do you see this page? Abdullah Patel, you see this page? Okay. So there are titles given, subheadings, and then the following paragraph talks about what the topic is about. Abdullah Patel.
I got it.
Okay, fine. Yes, that's the title. But go down, Juveria. Is there anything mentioned in bold, like small texted, and then a following paragraph is given? That would be your subtopic.
Medan.
No, that's a word. That's a glossary word.
For the caption.
Caption, you will have a picture, Umar, and then below the picture
No,
will be a
ma'am,
little
I'm
write-up.
showing the subtitle.
Yes, subtopic. Show where I can.
Ma'am, what is caption?
Okay, for the last time I'm explaining what caption is. You'll have a picture in your book. All right, you'll have a picture in your book, and below the picture, you will have a little write-up. All right, you'll have some sentences written. Okay, that is what a caption is about.
Ma'am,
Don't
like in
have
YouTube, we
pictures.
put captions. In YouTube, we put captions.
Yes, YouTube video. Yes, Humaira Qasim, that is a caption. Yes, Humaira.
Ma'am, I don't have a
I
caption.
love the way she opened her book. Perfect, no problem. None of your
What is
pictures have
subheading?
caption in the entire
No,
book.
I don't have.
Ma'am, this is subheadings.
No, that is not subheading.
Making this book is really heavy.
Right, don't show it. Ibrahim is just troubling you. Show me again and again.
No, ma'am, he is holding it so down I cannot see it only.
3 books. I did not. I
Ma'am,
have
this is subheadings.
4 encyclopedias. One I have like Muhammad same book.
This is subheadings.
Okay. What, Anas? Voice is cracked. Oh my god, the internet just, everybody stop. Grammar, please. Please be mindful of the grammar. You cannot insult grammar. Yes, that's the subheading, Anas. Got it, bro.
Can you hear me?
Excellent. Yes.
10:55.
Ma'am, what is subheading?
10:51. Oh my god.
What is subheading?
Yeah?
Ma'am, is it a
Anas,
fact box?
show the subheading, Anas.
See, this is subheading.
Yes, that's a fact box.
The paragraph.
Yes,
Box.
yeah, that's a fact box. 1 minute, Anas, just show your subheading. Anas, your internet. Aisha Aga, see, this is what a subheading is. Got it? All right. Go ahead.
Ma'am, like
see in your book.
this.
Complete exercise. Hold up. Show me.
Ma'am.
Aisha Aga, I
Ma'am,
can't see.
I have.
Yes, Aisha Aga, that is a subheading. Okay. Now, we end the session over here. Today
Ma'am,
we learned
fact
more
box.
features
Ma'am,
about,
see.
learned the layout, how the information in a non-fiction book is, okay, the layout, how it is presented. It's in table form, it is in bullets form, it is it has, the picture will be with a caption, it can have subtopics. All right, so these are the different layouts which are used, or the features used in the non-fiction book. I'll end it over here. Those who've not completed the table, go ahead and complete it. All right, and I'll see you. Bye bye.